3 different types of lashes. I absolutely love the packaging for sure. So this is actually a lot more exciting than I had even imagined. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and open the box. Wow, so this looks really amazing. I got the Level Up Full Lash Starter Kit, and within this starter kit, it comes with 2 pairs of eyelash extensions. And because they were doing a promotion, I got an extra pair for free. That was a really good promotion on Instagram. I hope they have it out there. So just in case these work, then you can also pick yourself up some. So from my understanding, these lashes can last up to 2 weeks, which is amazing if that is the case. I'm sure with good care. I am a little rough, so I'm not sure exactly if that would be more realistic for me. I have 3 different pairs of lashes. 2 I found are actually the same. This one is a little bit more glam, which is really fun. And this one is called Bedroom Eyes. So I will say that for a special occasion, the other 2 that I have, which are the same, they are more like for like everyday lashes. It's actually called Petite, and I got 2 of them. So that is what we will be going with today. Look at that, it's just so cute. I just love this packaging. Obviously they're probably not reusable or anything like that, but even with, you can buy refills, I'm assuming, with the starter kit because they have all the bonding glue. This is what you would put onto the lashes, and then once you apply the lash extensions on, then you're going to go ahead and use this tool to squeeze and bond it to your real lash. And then you would use the bonding glue that you would apply. It says multiple times to really seal the lashes in. And it comes with a brush and I'm assuming I guess an applicator of some sort. I'm not too sure yet, but it's so pretty. It's got glitter in it. That's how the lashes look. There's like 5 different pieces. I want to wipe my eyelashes, make sure that they are clean, because I'm assuming that that would affect the bonding. I feel like if I clean them, then you know it'll stick on better. Maybe I'll just curl them a little bit. You know, obviously didn't say to do that, but here I go again. Let's just get up there and personal. These are my lashes. These are my lashes. Oh, I'm confused. It says to apply this underneath, so that's what we're gonna do. I need another hand, darn it. Like that. Whoa there, it's like mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm showing you guys, but I'm really actually just gonna go ahead now and do it up close with the mirror. I think that's the best ideal situation, you know what I mean? And I also have to apply it on this segment. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. How is this gonna work? Okay, here we go, first lash. This is just not making sense at all to me. I'm sorry, I'm about to give up. What is this? Oh my gosh, in order for this to work, you have to actually have lashes to begin with, which I don't. This is just making it so difficult. Sorry dolls, I'm gonna have to just stop this video. I'm gonna have to use the lash remover because I apparently did it wrong. Try out their Purify Lash Removal Serum, and maybe we'll just try again later on tonight. This is a lot more difficult. The application of it anyway is a lot more difficult than I had expected, even though I did expect that it would be somewhat difficult. I just never imagined, and I'm sure this takes experience. So anyway, this is the Urbandollz Purify Lash Removal Serum, and we're gonna have to just apply that, put it on the stick. And it says to just put it on your eyelash root. It says to wait for a couple of minutes, but I can't take it anymore. Excuse me. Okay, dolls, I took a nap and I realized that I ain't gonna be wasting my 84 whatever dollars I paid for this, so I'm gonna try again and I'm gonna make this work somehow. Put it here. this just takes like a lot of patience. The piece. Squeeze it. I think I got one on. Now that was a completely different experience than earlier. So yeah, maybe it is just patience. Okay, second piece. Smash that. I think this is like the best that we're going to be able to do. So far so good. I'm trying to keep in mind the price, comparing price of this at-home eyelash extension kit versus getting it professionally done. Also the time. I have no patience to sit there in a chair for hours. I'm gonna pull the next one. I have about 2 more pieces left, and then we can use the other sealant glue. Hopefully that will work. So, have you tried anything like this? If so, let me know. Hopefully this will not irritate my eye because it's vegan and cruelty free. Okay. It looks like I have major clumpy mascara on my lashes, but you know, it's okay. It's subtle and it's still better than this bold looking eyeball here. So yeah, we'll just move on to the next side. Okay, we got them on. They are secured, and now we have the final step. This is a feather control lash bonding sealant. So according to the instructions, we apply the sealant only to the root of my lashes using a dabbing using a dabbing motion. And it says just keep applying until you know how that it's sealed. I still have 2 extra pieces that I didn't use, and I think I will just keep them because you just never know. Maybe a lash might dangle off and I may use it or do a little touch up. That's good. This turned out 100% better than what we started with. Now that I understand how to apply it, it's amazing actually. So should we do our final thoughts? Well, dolls, let me know what you think. It's kind of clumpy, but I think in time, I think I'll get better. And even though I have very minimal, very fine lashes, so I should have said that in the beginning. If you also have fine, thin lashes, then I think this would make sense as a review. If you have bushier lashes, the better. I'm sure they will just glide right on, and I think you'll have even minimal effort needed to apply these extensions on your eyelashes. I'm trying to think. Maybe if this lighting is a little bit better. Yeah, there we go. So here we go. Yeah, so just let me know what you think. I should have actually had this lighting on. It's so much better when I turn off my closet light, so now I know. But anyway, yeah, so that was Urbandollz. So I hope this was a decent review. Again, this is the petite eyelashes, and yeah, I would say I personally like them. I will maybe check in a little bit just to maybe pull and tug on them just to see how strong they are. Can they stand the test of time? They're also supposed to be waterproof materials. So it is the next morning, and I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the eyelash extensions. These babies are on. They are pretty, let's see, they're pretty stuck on there. They are pretty stuck on there. I did have like a little bit of excess like crud of glue, the sealing glue, which is fine. I just kind of like scraped it off. It dries up. I slept with them. I did shower with them last night, so I would definitely recommend this. With a little bit of patience and practice, I think these can go on, you know, maybe within 15-20 minutes. These are very like natural, so if you work, you know, and you don't want to have like, they have different selection, of course, like you had seen the other more glam eyelash extension kit, not kit, but eyelash extensions, then that style was more glam. Let me just give you guys a little bit of like another look. If you ever get these and you try them out, start with the eye that you have most control over. It's a little bit more difficult working with your non-dominant hand, if that makes any sense. Probably not. So again, recommend Urbandollz. Yep. Dolls. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you stay fabulous, stay amazing, keep smiling, keep shining as you should, and do not ever, 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 ever let anyone else make you feel otherwise. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls. Oh, also in my next video, because it's my 2-year channel anniversary, I am going to be doing a fun mystery box with one of my favorite makeup brands. This is from ColourPop. Definitely stick around, hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't. What's going on, sis? So we'll be playing with the makeups that I got and giving some makeups away. We still have our 5,000 sub giveaway going on, so check the description box below for details. Enough said, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, dolls.